I sound familiar. I don't know. This is the way I speak English.
You sure?
Yeah.
Chad, don't he sound so familiar? You sound like Trump. You do.
I don't know what you're talking about. What's the Chongqing华语生歌手呢？Chongqing华。
What the fuck?
This is how I speak Chinese. 说Chongqing华语生歌手。
What the fuck? He is?
Yeah.
What the fuck? God damn.
Please, sign for me, just the name. Please, yo, brother. I love you. I love you so much. I love you so much. Hell no. Sign for me. Please. Hey, speed! 我操，好热啊！
Hello guys, it's your boy Joshua. Today I come here in the vlog in China. This is the city that IShowSpeed was in, Chongqing. And now I come to comment on what happened when he was here in Chongqing. As he says, it's amazing. China is crazy. That's what he was repeating. Actually, it's me too. I was surprised. Now that I'm taking this video, yesterday, the whole day I was watching his live stream. It was really amazing and yeah, great. So this is what I think about this live stream of this guy. He is not the first superstar who come in China. People say, okay, he has got permission from the government. Maybe it's he was paid, and others. It's like there are many different views on this, and some say, okay, yeah, it's him who has planned it on his own, but everyone can get his idea. Yeah. First of all, we have to see who is Speed. He's a superstar, internet celebrity, and as you know, because of the song he liked it, Chinese song, of course, he liked it, and he commented on it, and many people have got to know about him. Yeah.
Super Idol 的笑容都没你的甜，8月正午的阳光都没你耀眼，热爱105度的你，滴滴青春的蒸馏水。
Also on Chinese social media, he is among those people who, when you search in Chinese social medias and you write甲亢哥, because it is the name that Chinese people have given him, you will find his name, after his name there is Zhe, which means this topic is hot. In China nowadays, these 2 days, any social media you search, you will find him. He is there, he is everywhere. On WeChat, on Xiaohongshu, on Douyin, which is TikTok of Chinese people. Also, you can find he is Huo, we call it Huo. So here is my comments on his travel to China. First of all, I've been in Chongqing for like more than 2 years. I've seen, for sure there is something we can appreciate on Chinese people about being friendly, being热情 towards foreigners. But this time it was more than normal. It was like this guy was really helped by the officials who want also to use his brand to show the real China, because China is really amazing. Yeah, I don't know why the West cannot admit it, or they don't want to hear this, or not. I'm not talking about ordinary people. I'm talking about the governments there. So they have Chinese have seen his brand and his live streaming as the opportunity to let more people know more about China. I've seen, even from the morning up to evening, I've seen his live streaming. Evening, it was like everything good in Chongqing he has shown. And the way they prepared people like Trump, like Tony.
Who's a real Trump?
Wait a minute, who likes you? Who likes you?
He likes me. He likes me.
You know,
Oh my God.
That say that one of us is the imposter. I don't know who's the imposter, but I think I got Riz. W in the chat for Ryan. W in the chat for Tony. Who's got the Riz? You guys decide who's better, you know?
These are also people who are recently very popular on social media, especially TikTok. So when you see them, okay, you are immediately motivated. You want to know what it's about. Then it was a good way to reveal and to show China's culture, China's advancement in development in technology, which is very good for sure. And of course, to stop or to oppose with the image of China in Western media, especially that was tarnished and made bad. But they say it was propaganda. This propaganda of West was broken by the live stream of this guy only in 6 hours or 2 days. Go and check in the comments of people who are commenting on social media. You will see people for sure. They are talking about good things about China that we can say it's really profitable for government, for China, also for the guy himself, because live streaming is also his job, yeah. But there was one girl from Chengdu who said, "Oh, me, I'm a racist. I hate niggers," and I was surprised by the way she was rebuked. They showed that what she's saying is she's not representing China. People come to apologize in her name. Man, it was like this live stream was not only for IShowSpeed, but it was also showing the real image of China. I think that's why he was also supported. You can see policemen, you can see ordinary people, mummies dancing, teachers, everything. Also, he was given hongbao. Yeah, he was given many things for free without paying. So for sure it was amazing. So I make this vlog going here and also telling you what I think, and yeah man, show you the China. Yeah, I'll be doing things like this, many things like this, talk to people, let you experience China a little bit. Yeah.
You said what?
I'm racist.
You're racist?
Yes. I hate niggas. I'm a nigger killer. I'm so sorry about that. But
What?
I love your girlfriend because your girlfriend is white people. I love her.
What?
Yes, that's true. I'm so sorry about that because
Wait. I don't think you understand what you're saying. Do you speak English?
Yes, I am racist.
What? What the fuck?
People opposed her and called her Japanese. You know, when there is something bad, they will say, okay, maybe this thing was done by Japanese. He's a Japanese. He's a spy. She's the one who wants to show a bad image. Another thing I want to talk about is what people are commenting on his live streaming in China. People are saying, yeah man, you are becoming more Chinese more than American. This is propaganda, yeah? This is Communist Party propaganda, which is not true. It's what, okay, everyone has got his own idea. That is something that I cannot analyze. I'm not very good at politics, but I do think it's normal that you come to big countries, you go to good place and you appreciate the view, you appreciate the development and what you see. Yeah, but they say, this woman was paid. Was paid. You can tell me, do you think he was paid or not? I don't know. There we cannot confirm.
在博主通过一镜到底的直播，全景展现一个没有剪辑和滤镜的真实模样。
He cleans that bad image in his live streams, you see? So that's why also people say, this can't be IShowSpeed himself, yeah? especially that when you check the comments, for sure there are people who are praising China, who are talking everything good about China. Also, you can see that for sure it was really something well planned, especially that we're talking about professionalism. Man, Chinese people are professional in everything. Any task you give them, they do it well. It's what I have seen myself. I say, okay, let me share this with you. You are my people. I'll be letting you know different places, know more about China, show you how it really looks like, you see. And yeah, I'll help you. I will be helping you. You just tell me where you want to go and take you there. I show you the view. I tell you more about. I let you know more about. Let me see. Here there is a way. Yeah, there is. Yeah, let me continue there. He repeats, China is crazy. China is crazy. That's the sentence. He was surprised. He was not thinking that what he have seen was really true. He could not believe it. Because of the image he had in mind was different from what he has seen here. Yeah, actually here there are many cities, many. I was in a city, they say I think is the best, and they say, oh, this one ranks like 20th. I could not understand it. Me too. I was really surprised. So the well-developed, the infrastructures, engineering for sure is on a high level. Yeah. That's what I can say. But the way he was welcomed, the way he was supported by people, readers, ordinary people like us, everyone, for sure, it's something that you have to appreciate on China. Yeah, he was like idol. Yeah, idol. As people say, oh, she is idol. She's really an idol. A Shenren. In the beginning, people were not aware, could not understand who is he. Why does he have to be paid attention? Why everyone is talking about the guy, this black guy? And at the end, everyone is positive about him. Everyone is wishing him to stay well. Everyone is interested in what he's doing. Oh, it was funny, man. Let me see. It's a school. Yeah, this one is a school. Yeah, everyone later was like interested and was welcoming him, was giving him food, gifts. He could not keep them. Look, you can also look at his bodyguards. In the beginning they were very sensitive, they were very protective, but at the end they are free. They are taking pictures all around. They have found something, the country which is very safe here, safe more than they had expected in the beginning. Yeah, so that is really good thing. So this is me in China, and it was just my comments and my ideas about the travel of IShowSpeed, speed, high level internet blogger, but also I will be sharing with you other things that you'd like to know about China, and hope that you are learning well Chinese. I'm preparing good lessons. Please make sure for people who are interested to follow them. Also, I'm opening a class that we learn online. We help each other. If you want to join these classes, groups and one-on-one Chinese courses, you have to check and send me your email on mine. Tell me I'm interested. I will come on you soon and we prepare the lesson, man. We study. Yeah. So let me let you see the view, and later we'll continue. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.